Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Saily eSIM in the USA. If you want to try Saily, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get the best available eSIM deal. It's the easiest way to set up your mobile data before traveling and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, go ahead and install the Saily app. It can be either from your Play Store or App Store. And once done, just open it up and then just log in with your Saily eSIM account. Now, once that's done, in your home section or credits section, you can just go ahead and click on Buy Data Plan and then select the SIM. After that, go ahead over to United States right here under Top Picks. If you can't find it, well, you just look for United States. All right. So tap on it, buy the data that you need right here. For example, 1 gig for 7 days, 3 gigs for 30 days, or you could go ahead over to Unlimited. All right. So hit on Continue. Pay the plan, and then once that's done, when you go ahead and go back to your home section, you should be able to see USA right here. All you got to do next is just install the eSIM, just like so, on this device. Follow the basic prompts, and after that, once you arrived in the United States, or maybe you're in there right now, well, just go ahead over to your settings. Now go ahead over to connections on your phone, then SIM Manager first. Make sure that Saily is enabled. Now go back, go to mobile networks, make sure that data roaming for Saily is enabled again once you are in the USA. Enable it, and then once that's done, this one right here, or the SIM bars, will refresh. All right, so all you got to do is just wait a bit, and then after that, you are good to go. That is how you use Saily eSIM in the USA. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.